Oh, no, 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 no.
The dog. Wow. Whoa. What the heck? Careful! And she fell in. Macy! That's not funny.
Not here.
So nothing really.
Is she doing right?
No.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.
Is this a fucking joke? Is this a joke? This has gotta be a fucking joke. When I wake up in the morning, touch his little flufster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow, kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor, dance in the kitchen till the morning light.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
If you love me and you know it, woof. If you love me and you know it, woof.
Alright, I'll just throw it. Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my God!
Hello. Would you like a treat? Oh, you're so precious. Here. There you go. Oh. Hi. Got it?
I know, I feel really guilty. So I want you guys to meet my pet. This is Albert. He likes licking walls.